Welcome to the unboxing and setup guide for the Falcon T1 laser engraver. What's in the box? T1 main unit. Includes the T1 machine, an accessory box, and 120W diode laser module. Laser module unboxing optional. Includes 20W fiber and 40W diode laser modules. Component connection and laser module installation. Lift the protective cover upward and remove the display screen. Connect the screen. Insert the USB lock and attach the exhaust pipe and power adapter. Rotate the emergency button clockwise to release it. Then toggle the power switch to the position. The machine will start and the Z-axis will automatically move to its highest position. Set the rocker switch to the O position to power off the device. Remove the black rubber plug from the laser module installation slot. Take off the module protective cover and install the laser module onto the main unit. Lift the protective cover, place a smartphone using the front camera or a mirror on the base, and remove the field lens cover. PC connection and engraving. Then toggle the power switch to the position using the USB cable. Then open Falcon Design Space software. The software will automatically detect and connect to the machine. Place your engraving material into the machine and import the desired pattern. Select the material type. Set the parameters. Drop the protective cover. Click autofocus. Perform frame alignment and proceed with engraving. Power off. After engraving, once engraving is complete, follow the normal steps to power off the machine.